Okay, now okay, we can see why some complex, okay, some transition element, okay, are not form colored compound. Alright, so in order, okay, for DD transition to occur, okay, the ion must have partially filled the subshell. Okay, the first condition in order to form DD transition, okay, the ion must have partially filled the subshell. Okay, okay, okay. Let me see. Okay, how about this ion? Okay, did it have any partially filled the subshell? Okay, now I want to show you one by one. Okay, we take a look for the scandium. Okay, for scandium, okay, scandium. Okay, we know that it has 21 proton number. So it have argon, okay, and 3D1 for S2. Okay, and then since it is a scandium 3 plus, okay, so the electronic configuration become argon because it remove the 3 electron. Okay, now so we can see that for scandium 3 plus here, it have no electron in the d orbital. Okay, so okay, how the DD transition to be occur? Okay, when they have no electron in the d orbital. So that's why for scandium, okay, for this scandium 3 plus, okay, that's why we not call it as a transition element because it's not form colored compound. Okay, so since it have no electron at all in the d orbital, okay, in this 3d orbital, okay, so no dd transition that can be occur. So for scandium 3 plus is only a white color. Okay, right. Okay, so now, okay, we see the second ion here. Okay, for the second ion, okay, for the second ion is a titanium. Okay, so we have titanium. Okay, so titanium 4 plus. Okay, so titanium, okay, is a 22. So argon, okay, for S2 and 3D2. Okay, in formation of titanium 4 plus. Okay, so it will remove the 4 outer electrons, it will left as a argon. So same as a scandium 3 plus, also it have no electron in a 3d orbital, and once again it have no dd transition to be occurred. So that's why titanium 4 plus ion is a white in color because it have no dd transition. Okay, now we take a look for the third ion here is a zinc. Okay, zinc here is we know that the electronic configuration is 30. So argon we have for S2 and 3D10. Okay, it's fully filled orbital. So zinc 2 plus. So it will form the electronic configuration as 3D10. Okay, for S2 electron in for S2 is being removed. Okay, so now how about zinc 2 plus? Okay, we can see that for zinc 2 plus, it consists of fully filled in a 3D orbital. So it have 1, 2, 3, okay, until 10 electron in a 3D orbital. Okay, which is it is a fully filled orbital. Okay, once the presence of any ligand in this central metal ion, in the zinc 2 plus ion, so it will splitting the orbital into the non-degenerate orbital. Okay, it will split into two set of orbital. Okay, so now we fill out the electron here. Okay, since it is a fully filled orbital, which is it is have no unpaired electron. So how come the DD transition to be occur here? Because it have no unpaired electron. So that's why for zinc 2 plus it also have no DD transition to be occurred. Okay, because it is a fully filled orbital. Alright, so once again we take a look. Okay, for the definition of DD transition, we must have partially filled the subshell. Alright, so for the third ion also not have the colored. So zinc 2 plus is only white in color. Okay, now we take a look for the last one. Okay, for the copper. Okay, copper. Okay, for copper. Okay, for copper here. Okay, sorry. Okay, for copper. Okay, so we have copper. Okay, copper is a 29. So 29. So okay, argon. Okay, so we have exception here for S1 and 3D 10. Okay, so since it formed copper 1 ion, so it remove the last electron, so it left as a 3D 10. So same as zinc 2 plus ion. Okay, it also consists of fully filled orbital. Okay, fully filled orbital. So we fill up all the electron here. Okay, fully filled. 10 electron is completely filled in the 3D orbital. Okay, when the presence of ligand is also splitting into different level. Okay, so it fill up in each orbital. Okay, once again, because they have no unpaired electron here, so they have no DD transition to be occur because it is a fully filled orbital. So that's why for copper plus it have no colored ion. So for copper 1 plus, copper plus, it is a white in color. So that's why this kind of ion, it is a white in color. Okay, so since it have no DD transition occurred. Okay.